Yeah. Okay, people. Right here we have the beast 3 drone SG906. So in case you like what's happening, and we're about to unbox it, so I would like you to click like on my channel, subscribe to that channel, because a lot of things are coming up your way. So this is the beast 3 drone SG906 unboxing. So we're gonna unbox this drone right here right now. So see, oh god, inside. So this is an obstacle avoidance drone. Wow, it's fine. Kind of like the pattern, very portable and everything. Now we unbox this big right here. Whoa, you look at the bag inside. Wow, this is very portable. Whoa, packaged inside the bag. Wow, this is fine. Oh. That's the baby right here. Wonderful. What more can I say? So it has an obstacle. Okay, this is the precision landing sensor, 4K camera. This is the 4K camera. This is the remote. Beautiful. Whoa. Extra propeller. It's a USB port. Has a micro USB port inside. Android device. What am I seeing? An extra battery. Sky, you have to pay for this one. Wow! I never need that an extra battery. You pay me for this one. You pay me for this one.
It's great.
Wow, wonderful, very fine. I appreciate this, very fine. This is the obstacle avoidance radar. Wow, great package, very nice package. Yeah. Okay, coming up next is review of this drone. Kind of fly it. But for now, I think I have to charge the battery and get ready to fly this thing. Wow, very fine. I kind of like it for now.
All right.
Until we fly it. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.